Hey there, fellow Earthlings. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of solar power. The sun isn't just a giant ball of hot gas, it's a nearly limitless source of energy. We're talking clean, renewable energy that can power our homes, businesses, and even entire cities. How do we turn sunlight into electricity? It all starts with the photovoltaic effect. Special materials like silicon absorb photons from the sun. When a photon hits the silicon, it knocks an electron loose, creating an electrical current. From sleek rooftop panels to massive solar farms, let's shed some light on the incredible world of solar power. Let's kick things off with the most common type of solar power system. Photovoltaic, or PV for short, these systems are the workhorses of the solar industry, found everywhere from homes and businesses to sprawling solar farms. At the heart of every PV system are those shiny solar panels we all know and love. These panels are made up of individual solar cells, usually made from silicon, wired together to form a circuit. When sunlight hits these cells, the photovoltaic effect kicks in, generating direct current, DC electricity. Our homes and businesses run on alternating current AC electricity, so we need inverters to convert DC to AC. PV systems often include batteries to store excess energy generated during sunny days. This stored energy can then be used at night or during cloudy periods, providing a reliable source of power. Once installed, they can quietly generate clean energy for decades with minimal maintenance. As technology advances, PV systems are becoming increasingly efficient and affordable. From small residential rooftop systems to massive solar farms, PV systems offer a versatile and scalable solution for harnessing the sun's energy. Welcome back, Solar Explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of solar technology, focusing on one of the most advanced types of solar panels available. Now, let's zoom in on monocrystalline solar panels, a favorite among solar enthusiasts and professionals alike. These panels are known for their sleek, all-black appearance and top performance in efficiency. Their elegant design not only looks great, but also signifies the cutting-edge technology within. Monocrystalline silicon is created using a single high-purity silicon crystal. This meticulous process ensures that each panel is built to the highest standards. This process results in a more uniform and efficient structure, allowing these panels to convert a higher percentage of sunlight into electricity. The uniformity of the silicon crystal means fewer defects and higher performance. This high efficiency means you can generate more power with fewer panels, making them ideal for homes with limited roof space. Even if you have a small roof, you can still harness a significant amount of solar energy. Plus, their sleek black design makes them less noticeable, preserving the aesthetics of your home. They blend seamlessly with modern architectural styles, adding to the overall appeal of your property. Monocrystalline panels also tend to have a longer lifespan than other types of panels. This longevity means you get more value for your investment over time. They're more resistant to degradation from heat and humidity, ensuring consistent performance even in challenging climates. Whether you live in a hot desert or a humid tropical area, these panels will stand the test of time. If you're looking for a premium solar panel that combines sleek aesthetics with top-notch performance and durability, monocrystalline panels are an excellent choice. They offer the best of both worlds. Beauty and efficiency, they're a testament to how far solar technology has come. The advancements in monocrystalline technology reflect years of research and development aimed at maximizing solar energy capture. In the next chapter, we'll explore polycrystalline solar panels, a more budget-friendly option. These panels offer a different set of advantages that might be perfect for your needs. So keep those thinking caps on and get ready to dive into the world of polycrystalline solar power. Stay tuned for more insights and comparisons to help you make the best choice for your solar energy needs. Greetings, solar enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of solar power, focusing on a budget-friendly option that has been gaining popularity. Now, let's turn our attention to polycrystalline solar panels, a type that offers a great balance between cost and efficiency. These panels, with their distinctive blue hue, have become a familiar sight on rooftops worldwide. Their unique color is due to the way they are manufactured. Polycrystalline silicon is made using a simpler and less energy-intensive process than monocrystalline silicon. This process involves melting multiple silicon fragments together. Instead of using a single crystal, polycrystalline panels are made from multiple silicon fragments melted together. This method is not only cost-effective but also less wasteful. This process results in a slightly less efficient panel, but it also makes them more budget-friendly. For many homeowners and businesses, this trade-off is well worth it. Polycrystalline panels are like differently shaped bricks. They may not be as visually uniform, but they get the job done efficiently and affordably. Their slightly varied appearance does not affect their performance. Advancements in manufacturing have significantly improved their performance, making them a viable option for those seeking a balance between cost and efficiency. Modern polycrystalline panels are more efficient than ever before. Their affordability makes them an attractive choice for larger installations like commercial buildings or solar farms. These panels can cover large areas without breaking the budget. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective solar solution, polycrystalline panels are an excellent option. They offer a great return on investment over time. They prove that you don't have to break the bank to harness the power of the sun. With polycrystalline panels, solar energy is accessible to a wider audience. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the versatile world of thin-film solar panels. These panels offer different advantages and are suitable for various applications. So, stay tuned and get ready to expand your solar horizons. There's a lot more to explore in the exciting world of solar technology. Welcome back, solar explorers. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of thin-film solar panels. Thin-film solar panels are incredibly thin and flexible, opening up a world of possibilities for solar integration. Unlike traditional silicon-based panels, thin-film panels are made by depositing thin layers of photovoltaic material onto a substrate. This unique manufacturing process allows for greater flexibility in design and application. For instance, imagine a skyscraper with a curved glass facade. Thin-film solar panels can be seamlessly integrated into the building's design. This concept is known as Building Integrated Photovoltaics, or BIPV. Their lightweight and flexible nature make them ideal for portable solar chargers. While thin-film solar panels may not be as efficient as their silicon-based counterparts, their unique properties and versatility make them an exciting area of growth in the solar industry. As research and development continue, we can expect to see even more innovative applications for thin-film solar panels. In the next chapter, we'll explore the world of concentrated solar power, CSP systems. So buckle up and get ready to explore the power of concentrated sunlight. Welcome back, solar enthusiasts. Today we are diving deeper into the fascinating world of solar energy. Now let's take our understanding to the next level with concentrated solar power, or CSP. This technology is revolutionizing the way we harness the sun's energy. Imagine a vast field of mirrors all reflecting sunlight onto a single point, generating intense heat that could melt steel. It's like focusing the power of thousands of suns onto one spot. That's the basic idea behind CSP. It's a brilliant way to maximize the sun's potential. CSP systems typically use mirrors called heliostats, which track the sun throughout the day, focusing sunlight onto a receiver located at the top of a tower. These heliostats are incredibly precise, ensuring that the maximum amount of sunlight is captured. This receiver contains a fluid, often molten salt, which heats up to incredible temperatures. Molten salt is used because it can retain heat for long periods, making it ideal for energy storage. This superheated fluid is then used to generate steam, which drives a turbine connected to a generator, producing electricity. The process is similar to traditional power plants, but uses the sun as the primary energy source. Unlike other forms of solar power, CSP systems can be equipped with thermal energy storage, allowing them to store excess heat energy for later use. This storage capability is a game changer for solar energy. This means CSP plants can continue generating electricity even after the sun goes down. They can provide a steady and reliable power supply day and night. CSP technology excels in large-scale electricity generation with the potential to power entire cities. Imagine a single plant providing clean energy to thousands of homes and businesses. Its ability to store energy makes it a valuable asset in the transition to a renewable energy future. As we move away from fossil fuels, technologies like CSP will play a crucial role. From rooftop solar panels to massive CSP plants, The future of solar power is brighter than ever. The versatility and scalability of solar technology mean that it can be adapted to various needs and environments, paving the way for a sustainable future. As we've seen, the world of solar power is as diverse as it is promising. From sleek rooftop panels to massive concentrated solar power plants, the sun's energy can be harnessed in countless ways to power our world. If you're as excited about the potential of solar energy as I am, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest advancements in renewable energy. Together, let's embrace the transformative potential of solar technology, paving the way for a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable future for generations to come.